How to fix Android mobile hotspot not showing up. First of all, you need to simply try changing the username of mobile hotspot or simply the name of the mobile hotspot. To do that, open settings. Go ahead and select connection and sharing and then look for the option of personal hotspot. Select that and here you need to tap on hotspot setting. Now you need to select the hotspot name and then delete it. Now enter the hotspot name and tap on the tick mark at top right corner of your screen. Further, you need to look for advanced settings and tap on AB band and choose the higher band, that is 5 GHz, and with that tap on tick mark at top right. Now you simply need to check whether your Android mobile hotspot is showing up or not by turning on personal hotspot. So this is the first method to fix your issues. The second method, if this didn't work, is simply you need to turn on airplane mode for a while. And within 2 seconds, you can turn it back off and try whether your hotspot is showing up or not. If not yet, you can restart your device. Hold power button on your device and simply swipe towards restart. Sometimes simple restart can fix this kind of glitches on your Android device. With that, you will fix Android mobile hotspot not showing up. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.